In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively search for files and folders in Google Drive. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's get started. The first thing you want to do is access the search bar. So, open your favorite web browser and navigate over to the Google Drive homepage. Once you're there, take a look at the top of your screen. You'll see that handy search bar just waiting for you to click on it. Clicking on that search bar actually brings up a whole set of search options and filters, which we're going to dive into right now. Now let's move on to filtering by file type. After you click on that search bar, you'll notice an option labeled Type among the filtering options. Clicking on that will give you a list of different categories. For instance, if you're looking for a document, you can select that. Or, if you specifically need a spreadsheet, presentation, PDF, or even images, this is where you can narrow it down. By selecting a specific category, you're making your search much more focused, so you'll only see the files that fit the format you're looking for. Next, let's talk about the People filter. This is super handy when you're trying to locate files based on who they belong to or who has shared them with you. Just type in the name or email address of a colleague or a friend in that search bar. It will pull up all the documents associated with that individual. This is especially useful when you're working on collaborative projects and need to find those shared files quickly. Now, I bet you've had moments where you remember editing a file but can't quite recall its name. That's where filtering by modification date comes in. By selecting this option, you can find files based on when they were last updated. You have some preset options like yesterday, last 7 days, or last 30 days. If those don't quite fit what you're looking for, you can select a custom range. This works perfectly if you have a rough idea of when you last worked on that elusive file. Now here's a little tip for you. For the most accurate results, consider combining these filters. For instance, if you're looking for a PDF document that was shared by a specific person and modified last week, you can layer these filters on top of each other. Imagine how efficient that is. You won't have to sift through a mountain of unrelated documents to find exactly what you need. In conclusion, knowing how to effectively search for files and folders in Google Drive can save you a lot of time and frustration, whether it's through filtering by file type, people, modification date, or combining those filters. You'll be faster and more efficient in accessing your documents. So, I hope these tips help you navigate Google Drive a bit more seamlessly. If you found this information useful, don't forget to subscribe and give the video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching and happy searching.